Okay, now we are going to see how to handle array with C programming, how to get element into an array and how to use the element within an array in a C program in a simple way. Okay, now I'm going to explain this with a programming example. I'm going to have a simple main program into main that into main. Here I'm going to declare an integer array int a of 5. Int a of 5. It is an integer array in the name a, type is int. Okay, this we can able to store 5 integer elements. The index starts from 0 to 4. Okay, in a of 0 I'm going to store the value 5. In a of 1 I'm going to store the value 10. In a of 2 I'm going to store the value 15. In a of 3 20. A of 4 25. Okay, this way we can able to give values to an array. Okay, and how to print these values using C language? C using printf statement. Printf of, it is an integer, so percentage d comma a of 0. By this statement I can able to print the first location element, that is 5, plus printf of percentage d comma a of 1. This way I can able to store 10. Likewise can able to store a of 2, a of 3, then a of 4. Okay, if we continue this statements like this, we can get the output 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Like this I can get the output. Actually in this program we have stored the value 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in an array, and we have accessed these elements for display of 0, 1, 2, 3. If you see this program in deep, we can able to identify the drawback in this program or flaw in this program, which have lot of repeated statements. Okay, in the statements AF0, AF1, AF2, AF3, AF4. So this is repeated statements. Here also printf, 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 repeated statement. We can simply avoid this statement using for loop. Okay, can simply avoid this statement using for loop. Okay, in what way we are going to avoid this statement? Okay, see. Okay, now we are going to see how to avoid repeated statements in array handling code, or how to reduce number of lines in a code in an array handling program. Okay, we can simply avoid this number of lines of code and repeated statements with the help of for loop. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this with a simple programming example. Int main, that I'm going to declare an array int a of 5. Okay, I'm going to declare a variable I also. This I is used in for loop, so I'm going to have a for loop here for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, it is a simple for loop which can work for 5 iteration, 0 to 4. I equal to 0 one iteration, I equal to 1 second iteration, I equal to 3, I equal to 2 third iteration, I equal to 3 again one iteration, fourth iteration, I equal to 4 is fifth iteration. Totally 5 iterations. This for loop can work for 5 iterations. I am going to use this for loop to get elements for an array. Okay, to get elements from the user, I am going to get the element from the user. To get element from the user, we need to use scanf statement. I hope you know scanf statement is used to get data or element from the user. Again, going to use scanf statement here. Scanf of %d because it is an integer array and ampersand a of I. Okay, so this is the statement inside the for loop to get element from the user. Okay, to store in the array. Okay, in first iteration I equal to 0, so it can get element for a of 0. In second iteration a of 1, next iteration a of 2, a of 3 up to a of 4. Okay, which we have discussed already how the elements are stored. Suppose user is giving the data like this, in the sense if user give the value 15 for a of 0 and the value, this is just for an example, and 20 a of 2 25, a of 3 30, a of 4 35. If user have given these values 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, in the sense it is stored in the array in the form like, see, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 locations. This is a of 0, this is a of 1, this is a of 2, this is a of 3, this is a of 4. Okay, in this first location 15, this is a array. In first location 15 is stored, then second location 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, like this the elements are stored in an array. Okay, if we go with the address, 15 is stored in the address 2000, 2004, like this, 2000, right? Like this it is stored. Okay, in this way we can get the element for an array from the user. Similar way we can able to display the array elements also using the for loop. Okay, I am going to display the elements which is resides in the array using for loop. Okay, for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. This is also work for 5 times. I mean this for loop can work up to 5 iterations. Okay, this I am going to give a printf statement because we are going to print the elements which is resides in the array into the screen. Okay, printf of %d comma a of I. Okay, in this first iteration a of 0 will be printed, that is 15. In second iteration a of 1 will be printed, that is 20. Next iteration 25, 30, 35. Okay, so the index 0 to 4 iteration is also 0 to 4, and that is 5 iterations. Okay, once the for loop has been completed, all the values will be printed in the screen. Okay, this is the simple code to handle an array. In this simple program, okay, 5 elements we can able to get 5 elements for an array from user, and we have displayed all the 5 elements in the screen which is stored in the array. Okay, it is a simple array handling program. Okay, Thank you so much for watching.